What are you doing? Are you going to put one on Boo? You already put one on Meg. What about Boo Boo's? Boo Boo won a necklace too.
Give Boo a necklace.
That's Meg.
I want to put one on Boo. Hey, Boo. Hey, Boo. There you go.
Aw, Boo likes it.
There. Now Boo has one.
Now Boo has one too. You gonna get one on Boo? Put one on Boo. Whoopsie! Careful, don't fall. Uh-oh.
F-A-T-H.
Oh, good Boo. Pretty. You dressing Boo up?
Yeah.
Aww.
Wow, now Boo has more than Meg. Meg only has two.
Oh, Boo looks good. Nice job, Alex. More?
Yeah.
Okay.
Leader.
Oh, Boo, Meg, you're in the way. Come here. There you go.
It's just like the movie
What are you doing?
Hooray!
Oh, I'm stuck on your hair.
I'll put it all on Boo.
She's putting it all on Boo. Aww. Are you singing your ABCs? Or Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Yay! More? Where you going? Where you going?